Following China's cryptocurrency ban, Sweden might or might not be the next one to follow suit. This month, the country's financial and environmental protection authorities published an open letter to the Swedish and the EU governments calling to ban energy-intensive cryptocurrency mining. The letter stated that the consumer risks are significant and crypto assets are commonly used for criminal purposes. Crypto assets also have a significant negative impact on the climate, as mining leads to both large emissions of greenhouse gases and threatens the climate transitions that needs to happen urgently." End quote. As Sweden mostly relies on green energy, it makes them a prime target for crypto mining farms that demand low-cost energy. And while the whole point of the letter is to signify that the energy could be used for something more important, for us gamers, it could mean that there will be less burden on the GPU market if mining activities are to be regulated. Recently, Innosilicon held a press conference where they launched the Fantasy 1 GPU product family. 4 GPUs were revealed, which is split into either Type A, which are aimed at the consumer, workstation, and data center market, or Type B, which are aimed at the data center, cloud computing, and AI use cases. Basically, really heavy stuff. Type A card features a single Fantasy 1 GPU, equipped with up to 16GB of GDDR6X memory across a 128-bit interface. This GPU offers up to 5 teraflops of computing power and 160 gigapixel per second fill rates. For the Type A card, there's also the entry-level model that could feature less memory than the dual fan model, and the server-specific model that uses a passive heatsink. Type B card features 2 Fantasy 1 GPUs connected by an interface known as Innolink. Equipped with 32GB of GDDR6X memory across a 128-bit interface, this card can run up to 10 teraflops of computing power and 320 gigapixel per second fill rates. We interrupt this video to remind you to leave a like on this video if you're enjoying it so far. And if you're feeling generous enough, subscribe to our channel too so you won't miss out on our latest videos. We really do appreciate you showing your support to us like this. Next up, Spotify is planning to completely replace a feature of its app that makes it easier to manage music while driving. It's unclear when the change will take place, as Car View is still available in the Spotify app, at least for some users, at the time of writing. But the firm claims to be working on a replacement for the driver safety function. Since news of Car View's usual downfall came through the Spotify community forum rather than a press announcement, there are still some unanswered questions. When some customers noticed that Car View was absent from their own Spotify app, forum moderators were very clear about what was coming next. WhatsApp has started testing a new shortcut that allows users to send stickers to their contacts quickly. The modification was initially only available to Android beta testers, but it may be made available to the public in the coming days. It comes just a few days after WhatsApp launched a unique sticker generator for desktop and web users, allowing them to quickly design new stickers. Stickers have long been a popular way for people to express themselves using little visuals on Meta's formerly known as Facebook's instant messaging service. Third-party developers might also create stickers for the app. And that brings us to the end of today's tech news. Please let us know if you have any questions about this video in the comment section. And thank you again for watching, and we will see you again in the next one. Until then, take care.